Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started, good luck. What is the primary use case for AWS Elemental MediaStore? Hosting static websites. Storing and serving video content. Scaling relational databases. Running batch processing jobs. The primary use case for AWS Elemental MediaStore is storing and serving video content, providing high performance and low latency for media workloads. What is the main advantage of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for video streaming applications? Reduced storage costs. Limited scalability. Low latency performance. Secure data encryption. The main advantage of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for video streaming applications is its low latency performance, ensuring smooth playback and minimal buffering for users. What is a key benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing video content? Unlimited storage capacity. Built-in encryption at rest. Low latency and high performance. Low-cost storage. AWS Elemental MediaStore offers low latency and high performance for video content delivery, ensuring a smooth streaming experience for users. What is the storage class used by AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing media files? Standard storage. Cold storage. Hot storage. One-zone IA storage. AWS Elemental MediaStore uses hot storage for storing media files, ensuring fast access to frequently accessed video content. What feature of AWS Elemental MediaStore enables efficient and secure distribution of video content to end users? Edge caching for faster delivery. Public access URLs. Storage archiving capabilities. Data compression algorithms. The feature of AWS Elemental MediaStore that enables efficient and secure distribution of video content to end users is edge caching for faster delivery, reducing latency, and improving access speed for viewers. How does AWS Elemental MediaStore facilitate content delivery optimization for video streaming applications? By disabling cache expiration policies. By restricting access to specific geographic regions. By reducing video quality for faster delivery. By leveraging edge caching with CDNs. AWS Elemental MediaStore facilitates content delivery optimization for video streaming applications by leveraging edge caching with CDNs, improving delivery speed and scalability for global audiences. What is the primary purpose of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing media files? Hosting dynamic websites. Storing and delivering video content. Managing virtual servers. Processing text documents. The primary purpose of using AWS Elemental MediaStore is for storing and delivering video content, as it is optimized for media streaming and provides low latency access to video files. What is a key benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing and delivering video on-demand content? Shared account access for collaborative work. Offline processing capabilities. High availability and low latency for video streaming. Cost efficiency for bulk data transfer. A key benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing and delivering video on-demand content is its high availability and low latency for video streaming, enhancing the viewing experience for end users. What is a key advantage of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for online video distribution? Integrated email marketing tools. Built-in machine learning algorithms. Scalability for big data analytics. Low latency and high performance. A key advantage of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for online video distribution is its low latency and high performance, providing a seamless viewing experience for users. What feature in AWS Elemental MediaStore allows for automatic versioning of stored video content? Scheduled backups. Versioned access control policies. Object lifecycle management. Immutable storage. The feature in AWS Elemental MediaStore that allows for automatic versioning of stored video content is immutable storage, safeguarding against accidental deletions or modifications. What is a key benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing and distributing video content to clients? Limited data transfer options. Storage cost predictability. No caching options. Scalability and global reach. A key benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing and distributing video content to clients is scalability and global reach, allowing for efficient delivery to users worldwide. How does AWS Elemental MediaStore ensure high availability for stored video content? Replicating data across multiple availability zones. Deprioritizing read requests. Using serverless architecture. Replicating data to an external storage system. AWS Elemental MediaStore ensures high availability by replicating data across multiple availability zones, reducing the risk of downtime or data loss. What level of durability does AWS Elemental MediaStore provide for stored video content? 99.999%. 99.99%. 99.999999999%. 99.9%. AWS Elemental MediaStore provides 11 nines of durability for stored video content, ensuring high resilience against data loss or corruption. What is the purpose of the access policy in AWS Elemental MediaStore? To compress stored data. To replicate data across regions. To control access to media content. To encrypt stored data. The access policy in AWS Elemental MediaStore is used to control access to media content, allowing you to define who can view, download, or modify the stored files. What is the minimum duration for which Amazon CloudFront can cache objects from AWS Elemental MediaStore? 120 seconds. 0 seconds. 300 seconds. 60 seconds. Amazon CloudFront can cache objects from AWS Elemental MediaStore for a minimum duration of 0 seconds, allowing for immediate retrieval of content without caching delays. What is AWS Elemental MediaStore used for? Storing and delivering video content. Running virtual servers. Hosting static websites. Processing text documents. AWS Elemental MediaStore is a storage service optimized for media. It allows you to store and deliver video content with the ability to scale automatically. What is the primary benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for media storage? High storage costs. Variable data transfer speeds. Limited scalability. Consistent low latency performance. The primary benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for media storage is its consistent low latency performance, enabling fast access to video content for streaming applications. What is the maximum storage capacity of an AWS Elemental MediaStore container? 150 terabytes. 200 terabytes. 50 terabytes. 100 terabytes. An AWS Elemental MediaStore container can store up to 150 terabytes of media files, offering ample storage capacity for streaming video content. In what format is media content stored in AWS Elemental MediaStore containers? Database-based storage. File-based storage. Block-based storage. Object-based storage. Media content is stored in AWS Elemental MediaStore containers in an object-based storage format, allowing for efficient retrieval and delivery of video files. What type of content is AWS Elemental MediaStore ideal for storing? Text, images, video, audio. AWS Elemental MediaStore is specifically designed for storing video content, making it ideal for media streaming applications. What is the benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for distributing video files globally? Variable data transfer speeds. Limited scalability. Increased storage costs. Fast delivery speeds. AWS Elemental MediaStore allows for fast delivery speeds when distributing video files globally, ensuring that users can access the content quickly regardless of their geographical location. What is a key aspect of data transfer security in AWS Elemental MediaStore? Unencrypted data transfers. Resource-based access policies. Shared public URLs for downloads. Encrypted data in transit. A key aspect of data transfer security in AWS Elemental MediaStore is encrypted data in transit, ensuring that data exchanged between the storage service and clients is protected from external threats or interception. How does AWS Elemental MediaStore handle scalability for media storage? It requires manual intervention to scale storage capacity. It does not support scalability. It has fixed storage capacity limits. It automatically scales to meet demand. AWS Elemental MediaStore automatically scales to meet demand, allowing you to store and deliver media content without worrying about capacity limits. What additional feature does AWS Elemental MediaStore provide to enhance data durability and protection? Continuous data replication. Data encryption in transit. Object versioning and immutability. Cache invalidation policies. AWS Elemental MediaStore provides object versioning and immutability to enhance data durability and protection, ensuring that stored data remains intact and secure against accidental modifications or deletions. What is the benefit of using AWS Elemental MediaStore for storing large video files? Lower data transfer costs. decreased transcoding performance, limited scalability, fast access to media content. AWS Elemental MediaStore provides fast access to stored media content, making it ideal for streaming large video files with minimal latency. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.